Yeah, so this is how the frame looks after one coat. I messed up there, it's still drying. But I need to coat over that, so it's cool. Oh, and I messed up it over there. But I'll get it. Okay, I'm gonna be starting with the frame, painting it, actually putting paint. So primer was already put on, and then I put some rust buster or NS5. I messed up a bit there. I shouldn't have put the primer, I should have just put the NS5 because it is a primer for rust. I just wanted to see what would happen. But it turned out quite nice. I mean, the frame's coated. This is the second paint coat, but I mean it has like maybe 1, 2, 3, like 6 layers of paint on it already. So this is going to be about maybe 2 more layers. Okay. Oh, that took 10 minutes. Or my talking took 10 minutes. But there's the frame. Let me take this closer. See, that's a good distance. Yeah. It's looking good. I mean, everywhere I look, it's pretty much covered, which is what I wanted. This side looks good. Oh, I missed a few like small spots, but otherwise, yeah, it's lit. It's a lot of dripping paint or dripped paint. And I messed up on the one side, but that cam's done. I think the side that I didn't cover, I'm gonna cover it with another color of paint. I don't feel like that's necessary though. I might just leave it like this. It seems good enough the way it is. Yeah. Hi guys. Brightness is terrible. Even if I put it up, it's still very bad. Okay. Leave the brightness. Camera's gonna do what a camera's gonna do. Anyway, what's up guys? So I got the engine inside the frame. Frame's painted ish. I mean, tried my best with spray paint. Found a pigment. Found a pigment that I want to use, but the next time I tear the bike down, I'll use that. For now, this paint does the job. Let me unzoom in. So it just took a bit of shimming in. I didn't put any. Turn this around so I can see what I'm looking at. I didn't put any of the mounts in. I'm gonna do that now, but I thought I was gonna clean bolts and then put the mounts in. I just decided let me put the engine in, and then I was like, yeah, before I carry on with everything else, rather video this. The swing arm is gonna go in next, and after I put the swing arm on, then I'll start with the shocks in the front and the triple clamp in, shocks. That'll be cool. Then we'll see from there. But I did mess up with the paint a bit. Yeah, I had sand in the frame because I sent it to get sandblasted, and because I sent it to get sandblasted, this is good light. Because I sent it to get sandblasted, there was a lot of sand in it, so I had to shake the frame, turn it up and down, get all the sand. Okay guys, I'm still busy. I have the swing arm in, well, just the main bolt, the one that goes in here, somewhere in here. And then yeah, I need to put the bottom one, but I'm gonna have to lift this up a bit so I can fit that in. And yeah, I'm gonna start with the triple clamp, and from there carry on. But it's looking right. It's looking right. I got the mounts also installed. So the mounts, the swing arm is kind of in, and then we're gonna go and start with the triple clamp because I don't want to start dealing with this. The bushings in, not bushings, what am I saying? The bearings in this part here. Yeah, it's gone. There's the bearings or the pieces of the bearings here. But what I did was I filled the space of the bearings that came out with the grease, yeah, using Castrol WB grease. You can see, hey, don't want to touch things. And the lights, okay, there we go, grease. So yeah, grease that up, put it in, then I'm gonna carry on and see how far I can get. Just, yeah, I'm not too sure about those bearings, but one day I'll get them changed, just not today.